Hey folks, Randy here with Doing Cut and Trim. So I had a couple of people on the previous video ask me, if I got the thing worked out with the transmission. I did. It ended up being a really dumb, simple fix. It was a 10-cent part. So I'll show you what happened. All right, so we've got the transmission here. And if you go underneath the transmission, that's the main pulley that attaches to the transmission. And if you see that smaller pulley on this mower, that's the pulley that provides tension for the mower. Now on newer models of the Toro walk-behinds, this is actually on a spring, so as the belt stretches, it gets tighter. However, on this machine you have to manually tighten it from time to time. The way that's done is actually right here, this bolt right here. So you loosen that bolt and then you push it on along that slot, and that tightens everything up. So I've been using the same bolt and washer and all that. Honestly, it's probably the original stuff, so it's 22 years old. And what I didn't realize was the washer, from loosening up and tightening, God only knows how many times over the last couple decades, the washer was falling apart. And so what happened was the washer actually split in two. Goodness gracious, focus. The washer split in two and actually was hung up on the engine block. And so you see where the bolt is right now. It was actually about a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch further back than it needed to be. And so as soon as the belt started stretching at all, it just wouldn't go. There just wasn't enough tension on the belt. So I removed the washer, reinstalled the pulley, got it to the appropriate spot, and now it runs like it's brand new, which it should, because as I said, the oldest item of the whole propulsion system is the oldest part on it is only a year. That's 14 months old at this point. The transmission's 14 months old. All the belts are a month or newer. So that fixed it. That's all the issue was. Very, very simple fix. I actually figured it out right after I posted that video. So just wanted to show you that as a little quick update. Thanks for expressing concern, and thanks for watching.